here's my thought process of today's trade. Price is crossing VWAP right now and just cross to 50 moving average. So I was thinking to go price above the 50 and continue upwards. So I enter a long position. I will not be interested if the price close under VWAP right now. And waiting to 1 minute, 10 seconds left. Okay, if the price close above 50, that's a good sign. So far, it didn't close above it. I'm waiting the second bar. And if the second bar close under VWAP, I will exit the position. So far, the price action looks strong for the bulls. Okay, 15 seconds on 1 minute. And the green line is 200 moving average. The yellow is 50. All right, we cross the close above the 50. We may do a retest on 50 line again. But if the price close under 50, I will exit the position. All right, price is still above 50. Hoping to break the 200 line and close above the 200. But if it doesn't close above the 200 line, then we may do a opposite direction move. Especially if it breaks 52. All right, 15 seconds. The price seems not too strong. It needs to be above 200 by now. The almost 5 seconds left. And I'm not interested, and I exit the position. So looking for right now to price break the 50 moving average and close under the 50 moving average.
Order filled.
And I enter the short. And I'm not interested if the price close above 50 again. And there is a resistance on the VWAP.
Stop filled.
Okay, 15 seconds left. Now I am thinking maybe the price is going to go up again if it close above the 50.
Order filled.
So I entered a little bit early. I should have waited to close the price above the 50 right now on a long position, but it closed under the 50. So I will probably not
Stop
interested
filled
after crossing the VWAP. and I just exited. Now the price, if it needs to go continue,
Order filled.
it needs to stay under the VWAP. And I was hoping to go down, catch some of that down movement, but looks like it's gonna go up again. We got 15 seconds left. And I'm not really interested if it is price above the 50 right now. But the price close above the VWAP, so that's not too good for me right now. So I'm on a short position right now, and his price is trying still, but it needs to close under the VWAP, below the VWAP. And I'm planning to exit
Stop filled.
because the price still not staying below the VWAP line. And we got 10 seconds left.
Order filled.
So I was thinking a little bit too early there. I should have waited that price is close above the 50. I entered a long position there, which is a mistake. And it just
Stop filled.
crossed the VWAP, and then I just exited. So the prices
Order filled.
seems like getting weak because he was trying to cross the 50 and he couldn't, and then the price right under the VWAP after that. Because of that, I entered a short position, and I will not be interested if the price closes above the VWAP right now. Trying to look exit around $400 price range for my bracket setup.
Order filled.
So we did that 390 there, and because of our previous short trades, we just made over zero balance right now. We are on $30. Now, I am not too much interested. I want to wait to see the reversal. I want to see the price action reverse, and I want to see some strong green bars and try to get a setup around the 50 moving average and VWAP, and I wanted to see how the price is gonna react when it reaches the 50. I will fast forward. Okay, we'll see first green solid bar there. And I was hoping here a quick test to the 50. I was just trying out. Sometimes the price just goes very fast to the VWAP or the 50 moving average and then get a fast rejection there, I would just do a real fast scalp there. But this one didn't go that much. All right, bulls are still in control. You see more green lights there, and I was kind of trying to see
Order filled.
a rejection on the VWAP and the 50,
Stop filled.
but it didn't go that much. I just exited because it may just break and close above the 50, and that's not good. So what I'm looking here, a strong green bar close, big engulfing bar close while crossing the 50 right now. But I am not expecting it so far because we have 10 seconds left and we are still way below the line. All right, the second line, I was trying to catch here
Order filled.
to the bottom while it is trying to go up, and I give it a chance, but so far the price is going too much low, and I would just planning to exit that if you're gonna pass that line.
Stop filled.
And yes, that was the bottom, I guess, where I exited. And
Order
now
filled. Order filled.
I am still trying to go long here, and I am entering the trade a little bit early. I should have waited the price close above the 50, but I entered a little bit too early here.
Stop filled. Order filled.
And I see some not too much strength on the price. We got like 15 seconds, so I tried to short here, but my exit is pretty close. I don't want to be on the wrong side if it's gonna run from 50 line.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Okay, seems like it's gonna go up, but again, I entered too early a little bit. I should have waited the bar to close on 50, but I entered a little bit too early. But if the price shouldn't go back or close under the VWAP and the 50 right now, if it does, I am not interested.
Stop filled.
And
Order filled.
I just entered a short position right now, exited my long position because I had 10 seconds left and the price is still under 50 and VWAP right now. Looks like it's gonna go down. And the price is gonna close above 50. I will exit the position.
Stop filled.
And yeah,
Order filled. Order filled.
right now I'm thinking that it's gonna run again, crossing the 50 line. And I entered a long position. And the next level is for me around 200. And usually when the price cross and close above the 50, it kind of retests, go back to the 50 line again, and then continue up after that. But this one, so far, it didn't come that down that much. Or maybe it will. And now waiting for the price is gonna go either 200 line or the 50 line right now. And that's where I usually get my profit off. Okay, first try on the 200 line. You just break it. If it's gonna close above the 200, and when it close above the 200, and then when it does the retest, if the price moves up very fast, then I stay in the trade more longer. But the price is kind of a little bit waiting a little bit, so I decided
Order
to
filled.
exit here. And right now, I'm thinking if the price is going to close under 200 and then test the 50 again, and if it does, if it's going to break the 50, then I will think in that short position. But if the price is going to go sideways on 200 right now and then close above the 200s with a good price action, then the price I'm expecting to go more higher from here. The bar is closed under 200, but it's a green bar. But the movement is not too fast, it's pretty slow. It may do more side action here before it will continue either direction. And we also have this level here from the open. We may retest that one too. Okay, still price is sideways right now. Five seconds.
Order filled.
I just tried here on a fast scalp on the level at the open around this here, but it
Order
didn't
filled.
go that much. But that was $75 to contract, 150 around there. And we got rejection on the 200 line here. Pretty good rejection there. Yeah, so the price did a little bit sideways and then continued with upwards movements. So at this point, I don't know how far the price is going to go up. I can look at the bigger time frames where the support levels, resistance levels are. And after that, now I will be waiting for 50 line and 200 lines, what they will be doing. And when they get close to the price, then I will try to enter a position again. I will do fast forward. It looks like it started the sideways price action with a range. And right around here, the 200 is cross under 50, and now 50 is going up, so the prices are getting weaker. And I will try to see what the price is going to do when you get close to the 50 line. Okay, this is the almost a touch, but still some little bit. There is the first test maybe. Tried to break, but it picked up so far. And I am kind of thinking maybe another bounce because there is a range here. And if it is gonna break this range and the price close under 50, then I will be thinking the price is gonna go down more. And if it does the opposite, the price bounce from the 50 and then cross this top range, then the price may go more up a little bit. Okay, so the price is getting close, trying to break the 50. But because of this range here, there is a lot of bars that got rejection here, this line. So I was thinking maybe a long position here from a bounce from a 50 line. And the price is above 50 right now. I
Order filled.
expect him to catch me before it goes up, and he did. And we'll be exiting around this level here. I wasn't sure if the price is gonna go up or he may just come back. We have
Order
5
filled.
seconds, and I exited there 170. So that gives us total 657. So the price bounced from the 50, and then what is gonna happen if they're gonna try to break this level, or it is gonna come back, and the price, if the price will close under 50 line, then I'm expecting to the price go more down from this point. Okay, price is trying to cross. If the price close under 50, and break this level here. Yeah, 15 seconds left. And the bar is close right on the 50. The next bar open right under 50 line. And then wait to see this bar, what it's gonna do. So if this bar closes under 50, I will expect more downward, especially if it crosses this line here. I should have entered here for this position. Usually I don't try not to enter positions after 10:30. Like after 11, around noontime, the price action is a lot more trickier, not easy. A lot of false price action movements around this time. But this one went through. It crossed this line here, and it crossed the 50. My probably profit target take probably on this bounce from the 200 moving average. Almost on 200. Yeah, there is that bounce there, 200. And it's close, price close under the 200. It may from here go down, continue more, bounce from Vwap, or it may do sideways action. I'm kind of thinking more sideways action because it's already around noontime, and from here it can go back, visit the 50, this level here, and then afternoon it may go up or bounce from the 50 and then cross the 200 and Vwap and go downward.